How to change gender on Polybuzz. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change gender on Polybuzz. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to go and log in into your Polybuzz account. Once you're here, if you navigate to top right corner, click on your profile. Once you're here, if you click on edit profile button, here you have only two options, whether you can complete your bio, change your bio, or your username. Since there is no option to change your gender, now the only option is to go back. Under your profile, there is a feedback option. Click on feedback. So here you have to describe the issues for the better service. So here you can type your message saying that you want to change your gender in your account. Once you're done typing in your message, click on submit. After that, the Polybuzz will get back to you with some updates and will help you change your gender. So make sure you check your Gmail if you have provided your account and therefore follow the instructions properly. Once you do that, your problem will be solved. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.